Viktor Frankl, in his book, Man's Search for Meaning, suggests from his experience as a survivor of Nazi concentration camp, he suggests that we can't control what happens to us in life. However, we can control our responses to what happens to us. I believe that, and I also believe sometimes the most challenging circumstance for that to occur is when we are experiencing chronic pain. The impact of chronic pain is immense upon us because people who have chronic pain live in a greater reliance upon medications. They experience an enhanced sense of anxiety and anger and depression in their life, and their quality of life is diminished as a result of living in this. So how can you deal with chronic pain and have a sense of being proactive in how you respond to this, even though you don't have control that it's happening to you? First of all, I'd like to recommend stress management. In other words, reduce the stress and the demands upon your life, because the demands of life deplete us so much. And if we have chronic pain, that is something that's happening on a chronic sense, we never get a break. We're always having this chronic pain deplete us of our energy, of our emotional capacity. Even our cognitive faculties are diminished when we're dealing with chronic pain. So we need to lower the demands in our life, and we need to do this unapologetically. Even if other people, even if it's those closest to us, they don't understand or they don't agree with it or they can't conceptualize the pain we are in, we still need to do that for our sake and for the sake of those around us. Also, find support from people who really do get it, who do understand it. Find a support group and find people who aren't going to simply give you little trite encouragements and solutions to this chronic pain. That only further invalidates the pain you're experiencing. Find people who are either able to understand or willing to come alongside of you and just be there and be a listening, non-judgmental ear for you. Also, become active. Try to get active, stretch, move, get the muscles receiving oxygen and blood as you're stretching and moving, because that will make you feel better, even if it's tougher to begin in the first place. Also, we at Nystrom, we'd love to come alongside of you. We may not fully understand, but you will find that you can learn various skills and how to manage your life better when you're dealing with chronic pain. You'll find that we want to understand better. We actually are privileged to walk alongside of you, and we are willing to give you the encouragement and the validation along with the skills that you need to enjoy a life that is worth living, even when you're living in chronic pain. I'm Cushing with Nystrom Associates. Thanks for listening.